Hello everybody, Dadas here in the Dadas Trading System Workshop, and welcome to the next episode of the Trade with Dadas series. So today I'm going to discuss my trades that I made today, and I'm going to show you two losing trades and because at this moment I don't have any other requests for trade diagnosis. I will later on make the Trade with Dadas diagnosis video. Why did I lose that trade? But at this moment I'm going to show you my trades and I'll discuss why I made those trades. Okay, so first of all, you can see here I made 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. Additionally, I've switched on the lot size option so that you can see that all in all this is a profitable trading, because here well, what happened here? First of all, let me show you on the M15. I got up a bit early today because of some issues, right? And when I woke up, it was let's say pre-market, in the sense that the DAX 30 usually the trading is done, or I trade on the Frankfurt session. So in other words, this is starting beginning 8 o'clock my time, so 9 o'clock broker's time, and that's where all the trading begins. Before that, the spread is is bigger, and and there is no sense to trade. Anyways, I was sort of expecting this downwards move, and I saw this situation right here, but then I was engaged in some chatting. Somebody called on Skype, and basically I missed that move. I totally missed that move, and I was a little bit angry at myself, because I had been waiting about 2 hours for this move, and I missed it. So yeah, and that's a situation that I really don't like. Yeah, you have to get over it. Anyways, I was trying to get in on you see, I was trying to get in right there on some continuation. Yeah, so because I was trying to get in on some continuation, what did I do? Let's get in here and let's see those trades again. So the first trade was taken quite quite reasonably, I would say. Not that it was perfect, but okay, it was I don't remember exactly which candle I was clicking on to get that stop loss level right there, or perhaps I even moved the stop loss level. Anyways, I got in, I think something like this. So I got in right here when the price was moving down, and the expectation was at least up to here. Yeah, even though a larger expectation was much lower. Yeah, but the market sort of lost momentum. Because the market lost momentum, I got out. I got out right here at any profit, because I figured out that something is fishy right here. I don't like it, and usually when the price is rejected off of, or very often when the price is rejected off of S3 here level, and not reaching the S4 level, it usually means that the price is going to go back. Well, this is a stupid thing I did, right? I did a very stupid thing. So anyways, but it wasn't a big lot. It was a 0.1 lot here, so 3 times smaller than this. And I got stop loss. I got stop loss directly on where I was supposed to get it. Yeah. Then on the next, I was watching M15 again, and then I figured it out that the market wants to go down again for a retest. And here my initial stop loss was a little bit higher, right? and then I went in a bit stronger on a bit bigger lot, yeah. And I was watching the market, and I figured out that this is enough. And additionally, you see this candle right here. The market started behaving again. There was no momentum. There was no momentum. There was no force. There was nothing happening. Nothing. When something like that happens, especially when we have this kind of sharp V formation right here, then I don't like that situation. I mean, yes, basically I shouldn't be trading at all at this moment, but okay, I did. Okay, and then some time had passed, and I saw that the market was trying to go back up, and here I took another trade, and you can see that I measured it out. First of all, I measured it out from M15, and then I found the right candle for this trade. It wasn't that candle. Which candle was it? I think it was that candle. No, again, it wasn't that candle. Let's try to remember which candle I used for that trade, or this one maybe. Nope, not exactly this one. Again, let's find it. It wasn't here. Well, anyways, you can see that the take profit was right there. So it wasn't a lot of pips. It was like 7 pips or something like that. Yeah, 7 pips. I think it was this candle right here. Nope, it wasn't this candle. Forget it. So anyways, yeah. So I think you saw it in the beginning of the video. And yeah, so again, the price broke out and started going up here a little bit more dynamically, but it stopped. It stopped right there, and on this candle I decided to move my stop loss from over here to a little bit of profit, and I was hoping for this move. The price came back, took out this stop loss level that was on in plus in profit. And then you see that on the next move it took out my take profit. Anyways, it doesn't matter because well, the market is not what I've been expecting. It's not moving. There isn't much dynamics. The ATR is falling down. So yeah, time to wait perhaps for the American session, and then we'll see what's gonna develop. Another thing what I did is on the euro dollar. Here I made 2 trades, yeah, and this is also you can see a clear situation. I made one losing trade right there. Well, because very simply because the stop loss was here, and there was a possibility that the market would retest that 1.17 level, but it didn't. So since I've already made let's say a larger scope analysis yesterday, and the agreement was that the price well is more likely to go down today than to go up, and you can see that also by yesterday's daily candles, right? Yeah, but yesterday's daily candles, you can see that there was only a retest here and now. So anyways, you see that my expectation was basically like 100 pips down, and there is a likelihood that perhaps until the end of the day, especially that this is the last trading day of the month, so both of the week and of the month, because it's Friday and it's 31st August, you see. So there is a likelihood that the market might even go down all the way down here. Anyways, because I lost this trade. I had to make it up, and I did. I got over twice the loss, so here everything is fine, and this will be all for today for trading, and it's time to have a nice weekend. Okay, so this is what happened today, and I will discuss my losing trades and do an analysis. Why did I lose that trade? I'll do that on the next on another video, on a separate video. And please feel invited. That one will be available on my Patreon. So patreon.com/Dadas Trading System Workshop. And then you can become my patron. Anybody who is willing to pledge $17 per month will have access to all of my diagnosis videos, where I discuss in detail, not necessarily on my trading system, but on a plain chart, which looks like this, right? And then I discuss on a plain chart using some tools to simulate the trade, and in this case I will be discussing what mistakes somebody made or I made, and I will be showing you what was the proper way of approaching those losing trades. Of course, and yes, okay. I think that's all. Thank you very much. Please feel welcome to participate, because I need your participation. I need ideas for trades. I need your losing trades to discuss and show you what you've been doing wrong, and how you can correct those mistakes in the future, or perhaps if we don't treat them as mistakes, then what you should do, and how you should approach the topic in order to do what is appropriate in trading, so that you can in the long term, so that you can profit and not lose money, not give away your accounts. Thank you very much for this one, and see you in the next episode, and let's make it happen.